Hello and welcome to 1030 Greenwood, just north of Mortimer. A lovely little first level of a bungalow. And we're showing this at the holiday season. And the current tenants have been kind enough to let us do a quick video tour, as they do have a new baby and they want to prevent as few showings as possible during the holiday season and given the current pandemic. The house is toasty warm, and you walk into a living room space. Back up a little bit so you can see. Some big furniture in here. It's got two nice windows up there. They used to be in the old days stained glass, and there's a big bay window here. Behind there is the bathroom. They've got their TV on the wall, which is quite clever to keep the flow going through here, so you can have quite a lot of space here. In the photos and previous iterations, there have been benches along the side wall, like banquettes, and large living room or dining room tables in here, which is great. It's got a nice window, and it's connected directly to the kitchen through this arched passage. This kitchen's really fun. So it's compact, but it's got a lot in it. So you've got a window, got track lighting, smooth ceiling, tall maple cabinets. It's got a dishwasher, really large sink, storage everywhere, storage, fan, cooktop, full-size fridge. Yeah, lots. And these people are just outgrowing this space now with a growing family. This is a perfect space for a couple. And with this space, you get access to the backyard, which we'll show you separately. There's a deep closet here. That's your front entrance closet. Put your coats and thingies. And then there's another closet that they're using more as a pantry here. That's very deep, actually. That goes back really far, but for their privacy, I don't really want to go doing any slow shots. Window in the bathroom. Nice tub. This is all redone quite recently. You got the two bedrooms at the end here. This is the new baby's bedroom, which is very exciting. Not quite sure why Arnold Schwarzenegger. It's inspiration, I'm sure. So they got lots in here. They're also using the space as an office. So there's lots going on, but there's a closet. There's a big window overlooking the back. It's a pretty color. And of course, there's hardwood oak strip flooring throughout. Okay, and then the master bedroom's a little larger. We got a full queen size bed here, a window there, a window over here. And these two things look like closets. That is a closet. And this one over here is housing your own exclusive laundry. Supplies. They've got a little desk here, which is very handy at this time. They can still have a TV, room for a chest of drawers. I'm walking through here easily. We're back into the main room. So this property is rented with utilities included. The meters are not separate. And there's a tenant in the basement who's quite quiet. And it's a nice solid house. They did renovate the downstairs and put sound attenuation in, so there's not a lot of noise transfer between the two units. And there's virtually no noise transfer to the outside to Greenwood. It's a great, convenient place to live for commuting. And let's flip you over to the backyard. So here we are in the back. The tenants he does some carpentry work, so there's some random stuff here that will be gone. There is some storage in the back of this garage that you can use. That's the central air conditioner. So that's all random stuff from the previous tenants, but this is included in the unit. And this area is used by the main floor. So it's quite lovely. Really quite nice. Nice little getaway in these crazy times. That concludes my quick tour of this unit. If you have any other questions, you can reach out to me at trevor@trevorbond.ca. And I'd be happy to answer them, or contact your realtor. Thanks again for visiting 1030 Greenwood Avenue, 2-bedroom, available, I believe, January 1st. Thank you.